Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're so welcome. Take a seat and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. So guys, in today's video we are making another hair DIY, and in this video we're making a hair mask that is very beneficial to treat hair loss, dandruff, split ends and breakage. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So the first ingredient to start with for our DIY hair mask is carrots. I'll go ahead and grate these carrots, and don't forget to wash your carrots and also peel the skin to remove the dirt and bacteria. So I'll go ahead and grate these carrots with my grater. And yeah, carrot is very beneficial when it comes to treating hair loss. Carrot contains vitamins A and E, which help to stimulate hair growth and make your roots much stronger. Carrot also protects the hair from outdoor damages. It also improves blood circulation to your scalp. Carrot contains beta-carotenes, which help to keep your hair healthier, shiny and soft. So you can see that carrot is very beneficial to the hair, and it also prevents hair loss. So after grating my carrots, I will transfer it into a bowl and move on to the next ingredients. So my next ingredient is onion. I'll go ahead and remove the outer skin from the onion, and I will slice and cut my onions into big chunks. So yeah, onion is very beneficial. It is high in sulfur. It helps to reduce breakage and thinning of the hair, and it also promotes a healthy hair growth. And onion is very beneficial to treat dandruff. So when I'm done cutting my onion, I will transfer it into the same bowl that I added the carrots. And yeah, moving on to the next ingredient is the aloe vera. I'll go ahead and cut off the white part from the aloe vera and cut out the quantity I need for this video. And I'll go ahead and extract the gel inside the aloe vera. So aloe vera is very beneficial to treat hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions the hair. It can help to reduce dandruff, and aloe vera also moisturizes the hair. And so after extracting my aloe vera gel, I'll go ahead and blend the carrots, onion and the aloe vera. I will blend everything together using a blender. And so after blending, I'll get a bowl and I'll be using a cap to strain out the blended mixture. And you can use anything you have, any scarf or anything, as far as you can strain out the juice or the mixture. So yeah, I'm going to strain out the mixture and I'll move to the next ingredients. on to my next ingredient is avocado, and for this video I'll be using 2 large avocado, and I'll be scraping out the avocado butter or whatever you call it. I'll be getting it out from the the back. And yeah, avocado is very beneficial when it comes to treating hair loss. Avocados are high in vitamins B and E, which help to prevent hair loss, promotes healthy hair growth, and strengthens the hair. Avocado is also a natural moisturizer. Avocado also acts as a natural sunscreen for the hair to help protect the hair from the sun. So guys, the lights went out when I was filming this video, and I decided to use my spoon to smash it instead of a blender. So after smashing the avocado, this is how it is looking. Not that bad, but I'm at least satisfied with the consistency it gave me. And yeah, this is it. And I'll transfer this into a bigger bowl to enable me mix it properly. And I'll start by adding the carrots, aloe vera and onion mixture, and I'll mix this gradually into the avocado. So after mixing, I'll start by adding my oils. First, I'll go in with olive oil. Olive oil softens and strengthens the hair by penetrating the hair shaft, and it also helps to preserve moisture. And then I'll go in with my Jamaica black castor oil. Jamaica black castor oil thickens the hair, it strengthens the hair, and also prevents hair breakage and dandruff. It also promotes a massive hair growth. And finally, I will add my tea tree essential oil. You can use any essential oils of your choice. Tea tree essential oils help to reduce dandruff and flaking. It also soothes the scalp. It balances the pH level of the scalp. It also helps to remove buildup and excess oil production. Yeah, and after adding all my oils, I will gently mix everything up together, and it will be ready for application. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to apply this hair mask on my hair, and as you can see, my hair is transitioning and we are 7 months gone. That is 7 months post relaxers. Yeah, so I'll apply this to my hair, and all I did was to apply this in sections and till I'm done. So that's just it, guys. So if you want to treat your hair, if you need extra moisture, if you need to stop hair loss, if you need to stop hair breakage, and if you want your hair to be stronger, and if you want your hair to grow fast, you should try this hair mask because it's really beneficial. So guys, that is it. After application, I'll go ahead and cover my hair with this nylon. You can use anything you have, even if it's a shower cap. So yeah, I'm going to let it sit on my hair for at least 30 minutes so it can really deep condition my hair. And guys, that is it. So if you watched this video to this extent and you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, don't forget, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.